And the man who started it, Virat Kohli, is with us. Virat, you must have enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I think after losing a wicket on the second ball, we countered pretty nicely. I think they've played a brilliant impact knock for us, really changed the momentum towards us. I got a few going as well, so that partnership was really important for us to set up that total on the board.
Just seeing the way you played today, spin, pace, you look to stroke the ball a lot and look for the gaps.
Yeah, I think my strength is to kind of get my touch and the feel of the ball early on, and then I can play the shots that I want to. I try to innovate a bit, try to hit different shots off spin as well, and then try to hit different areas of the ground. I think you need to keep evolving your game and keep up with the demands of the situation in T20 cricket. So, yeah, when I time the ball nicely early on, then I have better chances to contribute in the way that I want.
Now, you mentioned Devdutt Padikkal. Now, that was a very, very good innings because the tempo was maintained. It was a double engine firing at both ends.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, when Salty goes early, then one of the guys needs to have an impact straight away, and Dave kind of did that for us. He's did that for us in 2-3 games now. I think a big score is around the corner for him as well. He deserves it because he's hitting the ball so well, and yeah, that really changed the momentum for us. And then, as I said, that partnership was important for us to go deeper into the innings, get guys like Jitesh and Livy and Tim David towards the back end of the innings, and then what Rajat did is what Rajat does most often. And yeah, it was a great innings by those two as well. Rajat and Jitesh really got us those extra 20-25 runs.
Yeah, with 7 overs to go, you would have hoped 205, 210. 98 runs were added. So 221, you'll settle for that being put into bat.
Yeah, for sure. I think what happened with wickets not falling was one of their spinners was out of the game. And I think that played out to be an important factor for us because we knew once the spinner is out of the game, then the fast bowlers with the shorter boundary will find it tough. So it was important that we keep, the momentum, the partnership at the same time. With wickets in hand, with the shorter boundary, it was going to be difficult for the Chinamen to bowl because both of us were wanting to hit the ball. And yeah, I think that really gave us those 20-25 extra runs. And I just felt like the wicket wasn't as straightforward as it seemed because if you saw when Hardik was taking the pace off the ball consistently, it wasn't really coming onto the bat. So I think we have a good score on the board.
Yes, you lost your last 6 games. You had 6 love, so it's a tennis set that's gone by. You think you'll break in the second set?
Well, hopefully. We were I don't know how many and nil in Chepauk for 17 years. So hopefully we break that jinx today. And this time around we got a strong bowling lineup. So yeah, early inroads in the power play will really help.
Well done, Virat, today. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Hardik Ian Bishop and Natalie Germanis here. It was just a couple of days ago, unfortunately, but you went down by 12. Deja vu again today. How did you read the contest?
I mean, it was a run feast. The wicket was really good. Yeah, I know. I was just talking about that to myself. That I think again we fell short with 2 hits, which I don't know much to say.
Yeah, unfortunately we have to do this to you. That 221, was that par for the course or was that above par in your mind?
I think the way the wicket was, the bowlers didn't really have much where to hide. It came down to execution. If someone has executed, you can you can stop the batters. But I think I don't want to be harsh on the bowlers as well. It was a tough track. Not many options they had. But maybe 5, 10, 12, I can say 12 runs.
Hardik, just from the thought of the batting order and Tilak having played so well, Namandir played well last game. That batting order and that position at 3, how difficult has that been to settle it?
See, the original skeleton of our team, Naman was always batting down the order. It's just that in the last game, Rowe was not available, so we had to push someone up. And he has those, someone like him has those multi-dimensional game where he can come up as well and he can play in the death as well. So yeah, I mean, obviously the way he played last game, but if once Rowe was back, we knew that Naman would have to come down. And
what about Tilak? What about Tilak?
Tilak was fantastic. I think last game a lot of things happened. People made a lot of things about those things, but people don't know that he had a very nasty hit a previous day, and it was a tactical call, but because of the finger which he had, I think the coach just felt that that was a better option. That if someone fresh can come and do it. So, but today I think he was fantastic.
Yeah, still concerns though, Hardik, about that top order and getting those starts for the middle order to build on.
I mean, see, in this sort of games, power plays are very crucial. I think, a couple of overs we were not able to get in the middle. I think that put us little back in the chase. But, yeah, it comes down to it. It just executed well in the death. And, yeah, we were not able to, play those balls.
You played well. How good was it to have Jasprit back?
Oh, very good. Having him makes this team, any team in the world, really special. And at the same point of time, he came and he did his job. Yeah, having him is always good, and very, very happy to have him.
Good to see you in good spirits. Good to see the love between you and your brother. You've got what it takes to pick these guys up for their next game.
Yes, in life, never back down. Always see the positive side of it. Go out there. I think the message would be very, very clear. Go out there, try to play the best cricket of your life, and back yourself. We all are backing them. The team knows that. And yeah, we just hope for the result to come our way.
Thank you very much for your candor, Hardik, and all the very best as you go forward.
Thank you, thank you.
Well, I'd now like the winning captain, Rajat Patidar, to come up and collect the Player of the Match award from Mr. Ravinder Singh. And it was a match-winning innings tonight. Outstanding effort. Rajat, if you can come up, please. Well, terrific contest. Game going all the way down to the wire.
I think that was really amazing match, and that was very hard, I think. And the way bowlers have shown their courage, I think that was really amazing to watch.
Classic how a T20 match can shift in a matter of 2 overs.
It was really, to be honest, I think this award goes to all the bowling unit, because it's not easy to stop any team, especially in this ground. I think the way they have done, I think that was really incredible.
Now, what was going through your mind? Because you were well in control till Hardik exploded. What was your thought at that time and the message to the bowlers?
That was at that time. I think the message was because going wide the Yorkers. I think that was not a good option. The way all the bowlers, especially fast bowler, the way they have executed their plans, I think that was really amazing. And the one bowler, I think the way he has bowled, KP Krunal Pandya, the last over, I think that was not easy to be bowling any of the team. Against any team, 20th over. I think the way he has bowled, I think that was really amazing. And the way he has shown the courage, I think that was really fantastic.
You took the strategic timeout after 16 overs. And what was the thought process then as to who bowls 17, 18, 19, 20?
At that time, I think that was pretty much clear. We have to take the game deep, as much as deep we can. So my thoughts and everyone's thoughts were like we can take the game deep, and we can use 1 over of KP at the last.
Now, you would have never been in this game if you had not put those runs on the board. Excellent batting performance right through.
I think the wicket was really amazing to bat. I think that was a typical Mumbai wicket, red soil wicket, and the ball was coming nicely on the bat with bounce.
You look at the game-changing part of it. It was the last 7 overs when you batted. 98 runs was scored. When did you decide now's the time to cut loose from both ends?
I think after the over of Hardik Pandya, I think at that time I have decided I have to go all out from here. I think I have not to worry about my wicket, and I have to go all out after the Hardik Pandya overs.
Now, one player not mentioned much, but he's turning out to be a very, very impressive young Suyash, the wrist spinner.
I think in this format, wrist spinner is the main bowler because he's a wicket-taking bowler. But the way he has bowled, especially from the shorter end, I think the way he has bowled, I think that was really amazing to see.
And you'd like the way you're batting. You're striking it beautifully.
Yes, I was just trying as much as I can put impact on the game and pressure on the bowler.
Well done. You've had a good start, and keep up the good work, Rajat.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Rajat Patidar, the player of the match in today's game for a match-winning innings. And it's a good start to the season for RCB.